This is the Tyhur Sync Air Fryer, the first air fryer with a built-in wireless thermometer that measures internal temperatures accurate to within half a degree in real time. With the Smart Whole Chicken mode, it's never been easier to roast the perfect chicken. The thermometer is synced with the air fryer, which automatically adjusts the cooking temperature to keep the skin crispy and the meat moist. It even shuts off when the chicken is ready. Want fries with that? Frozen to crispy in 18 minutes. And cooking for the entire family is easy, thanks to a whopping 8-quart capacity that takes advantage of 9 versatile cooking functions that allow you to cook fries, whole chickens, and delicious desserts. On the Typhur app, you can choose from a variety of presets, be notified on cook progress, and even find recipe that can sync with the oven and really take the guesswork out of cooking. Accessories are dishwasher safe, and the materials are non-toxic. The Tyhur Sync Air Fryer gives you chef-level control with the touch of a button. Typhur Sync Air Fryer, the first air fryer with a built-in wireless thermometer.